Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Ratha Devidasi with a Janmashtami Special recipe. Finally, just a few more days for Janmashtami and the preparations are seen all around. Many of us are planning for the Janmashtami menu of this year. I am sure you are missing something, and that's the Kesar Peda. This sweet, which is seen in the sweet shops, is going to be prepared in our kitchen today. I am going to share this Janmashtami Special Kesar Peda, which can be prepared instantly and needs very few ingredients. With its golden color and delicious saffron flavor, this peda is mouth melting and a super easy sweet for this Janmashtami. So let's begin. First take 200 gram of khova or mawa. Here I am using ready-made khova. Now take a grater and grate it. Previously I had shared traditional milk peda recipe, but it takes more time. Instead, you can also prepare this quick kesar peda. This is done. Now transfer it into a pan. Keep the flame low and cook it. This step ensures that the khova cooks well and the extra moisture gets removed. Keep stirring it constantly or else the khova will burn. It has been 6 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of saffron milk, which I had soaked 5 to 6 saffron strands in 2 tablespoons of hot milk for 1 hour. This will give wonderful flavor and color to the peda. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder. Now stir it constantly until the mixture turns dry. We have shared many Janmashtami special recipes and you can find all in Janmashtami Special Recipes playlist, which link has been shared in the description box below. It has been total 10 minutes and our mixture is ready. Turn off the flame and immediately transfer it into a mixing bowl. Now spread it in the bowl and cool it completely. We need to cool it completely and this will take around 1 or 1.5 hour. After 1.5 hour, you can see its texture comparatively harder. Next, add 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Combine it well using a spoon. Do not use your hands for this or else the mixture will soften due to the heat. Mix it well. It has mixed well. Now take some mixture and make medium sized peda. Make like this. Press it with your thumb in the middle and add some chopped pistachios. This is ready. Here I have this Peda Maker, so I am using it. Now place the mold. Into this add 1 pista flake and 1 saffron strand for garnishing. Add some peda mixture and press it like this. Now take out this mold. You can see how beautifully the peda has came out. Similarly, make all the peda. I have mentioned the link from where you can buy this Peda Maker. Our Kesar Peda is ready. You can store it for 3 days on room temperature. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to our Laddu Gopal. Our Janmashtami Special Kesar Pedas are offered and ready. Do try it on this Janmashtami and let me know how it came for you. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare and be happy.